If you are using one of the school laptops, you are going to be unable to download our TI-84 Plus calculator. So luckily I have found an online graphing calculator that is pretty easy to use, and I will provide the link. Now I'm going to show you what this would look like. On my calculator over here, I've graphed y equals x squared. This is what it would look like here. Now they have the letters x and y, but they also have x squared and y squared. So I just hit x squared like this. Now on our calculators, we would hit the graph button next to see what that looks like. Well, on this picture, what you need to do is scroll down and see plot graph. Now you can graph it, and you can see that you've got the same couple of pictures. Okay. Now, from here, on our calculators, we also use the table of values, and to get there, you would press second and graph. That gives you your x and y values. Now, you can also do that on this. You just have to come up over here and hit the table button. It's going to say select an equation to create a table, so create that table, and now you've got your x and your y values. And they do match up the exact same on my calculator right here. I've got all of my x's, all of my y's, and if you notice, they all match up. Now after that, they come back around and they continue with the x and the y values right here. So if I was scrolling down on my calculator, it was at -1, then it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all of those numbers do match up as well. So please let me know if you have any trouble with this, and I will do my best to help you out.